Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can play Marvel Contest of Champions on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to download Marvel Contest of Champions on your computer easily. First off, you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to search for Marvel COC. Here it is. You're going to click onto this first link from playcontestofchampions.com. You're going to click play now on here and then click start download and just download this game up. And after that, select a location for it to install in. And after that, it's going to start downloading the launcher files that it needs to work correctly. So just wait for it to complete downloading. It's not that much. Click finish on here. And then you'll have to log in with your Kabam account. So click login on here and just go ahead and log in with your account. And once you're done logging in, then you can go ahead and play Marvel Contest of Champions on your computer. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.